Welcome. I'm Michelle Ward, co-founder of Modern CPA. My partner, Shawn Cahill, and I created Modern CPA to help small business owners like yourself get the help you need navigating the business world. As a small business owner, you can feel lost and alone with few people to turn to. Many times, the business owner doesn't have anyone to help them learn new concepts or provide much needed support. We want to offer resources and a community for people struggling with the same small business issues. Shawn Cahill and I are both CPAs in practice for 25 years, helping hundreds, if not thousands, of business owners run better businesses. We have created online courses and videos that explore topics such as day-to-day struggles that affect small business owners, tax issues and strategies, and learning from other small business owners about what led them to where they are today and how they overcame their struggles. Whether you are just starting your business or have a few years under your belt, let us help you navigate the world of business. Our mission is to be that resource for you. I hope you will subscribe to our YouTube channel today.